Welcome to Statics Lectures by Soul Thinking, and today we are going to solve another problem on parallelogram law of addition of vectors. Now before I move on, I request you to please watch the video lectures in the statics playlist in the sequence so that you will understand better. Now you can find the playlist link in the description, or also you can click here. Now coming to the problem. The problem is find the magnitude of the resultant of the forces shown in figure PB2. This is figure PB2 and we can see we have two vectors. One is 30 Newton and it's making angle of 44 degree to the x-axis, and we have another vector 20 Newton which is making an angle of 25 degree, right? Now what we have to do, find the magnitude of the resultant of forces. Now we have to find the magnitude of the resultant forces, no? Right? According to the parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant of these two vectors will be somewhere between them, right? This is according to the parallelogram law of vector addition, right? Now if you don't know about parallelogram law of vector addition, I have already made a video lecture on parallelogram law of vector addition. You can click here to watch. Okay, now the resultant will be somewhere between them. Let us assume the it is between them like this. Okay, this is resultant vector R. Okay, we have to find the magnitude of the resultant. We know magnitude of the resultant is whole under root of, let us say this is f1 vector and this is f2 vector, then magnitude is f1 square plus f2 square plus 2 f1 f2 cos theta. And what is theta? Theta is the angle between the two vectors. Okay, this is the angle theta, right? Theta is the angle between them. Now we know R is equal to, what is the value of F1? 30 Newton and F2 is 20. So it is 30 square plus 20 square plus 2 times 30 times 20 times cos of theta. Now theta is the angle between F1 and F2, and how much is it, right? So let us see how much is it. Now the total angle, all of this total angle, right, it is 180 degree, right? So theta is 180, all of the 180 degree minus 44 degree minus 25 degree, right? Because when you this is the total is 180 degree, so you will subtract 44 degree from all of it, and you will also subtract 25 degree, right? So what you are left with, you will be left with only this, right? This much is the total is 180 and minus 44 and 25, right? So theta is 180 degrees minus 44 plus 25, right? Now so theta is, so let me use a calculator to find 111, okay, degrees. So here is cos of 111 degrees. Okay, so when you solve this equation using calculator, you will get R is equal to 29.5 Newton. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, now which is the correct option? Now as far as I remember, this is not 30.5, it is basically 29.5. okay, this option 29.5 is option C. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any doubts, please comment, and see you in another class. Thank you.